Action to avoid collision. Any action take to avoid collision shall, if a constructionist of the case admit, be positive, made in couple time and with due regards to the observance of good seamanship. Any alteration of course and or speed to avoid collision shall, if the circumstances of the any case admit, be large enough to be reality appreciate to of course, and speed should be avoided. If there is a sufficient sea room, attrition of course alone might be the most effective action to avoid close quarters. Narrow channel. Rule 9. A vessel proceeding along the course of narrow channel or fairway shall keep as near to outer limit of channel starboard side as a safe and practicable. A vessel of less than 20 meters in length or sailing vessel shall not impede. A vessel engaged in fishing shall not impede the passage of any other vessel navigating within a narrow channel or fairway. Impedes the passage of vessel which can safely navigate only with such a channel if adopt as the intention of the cruising vessel. Rule 10. Traffic Operation Scheme. This rule applies to traffic separation scheme adopted by the organizations and does not relieve any vessel of her obligations under any other rule. A vessel using a traffic separation scheme shall proceed in appropriate traffic lane in the general direction of traffic flow for the lanes, so far as practicable keep clear of traffic separation lane or separation zone. Normally join or leave traffic lane of the termination of the lane, but when joining, leaving from other side. Rule 11. Application. Rule in the section applied to vessel in sight of one another. Rule 12. Sailing vessel. When two sailing vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of collision, one of them shall keep out of the way of the other as follow. One on the port side shall keep out of the way of the other when a boat have the wind on the same side the vessel which is to windward shall keep or of the way of the vessel which is the lower. If a vessel with the wind on the port side sees vessel to windward and cannot determine with certainty with